Good day guys. You're welcome to another episode of How to Make Money Online in Nigeria without investment. This is Browsing Tech YouTube channel. So in today's episode, I am going to be showing you a great secret about this platform called Cheaper Cash. So this Cheaper Cash is an application that you can use to accumulate a lot of money for yourself. You can accumulate as much as possible. And if I am revealing the amount I have accumulated on this app, I don't think you can actually believe the amounts that I have been able to accumulate on this application without depositing a dime. So in this video, I am going to be revealing a secret about this Cheaper Cash application that will allow you to make use of the application to fetch yourself some cash whenever you need it. You don't need to deposit anything on the platform. You don't need to invest anything. You don't need to activate with cash. So all you have to do is just to perform some transaction, and you will get credited with both registration bonus, and when you refer anybody, you will get your referral bonus as directed in this video. But before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you will get notified that we drop a new video. Thank you. You're welcome back. So to those people that have been following us for a considerable period of time, you will know that this platform that I'm showing you right now, it's not a new platform. So it's a platform that we've been using for a very long period of time, and I can assure you that I have been using this platform for more than 3 years now, and I have been making my cool cash from this platform. But you don't need to. A lot of people have been asking me, is Cheaper still paying, is this, and all these questions. I want to assure you something in this video is that you don't need to actually ask if Cheaper Cash is paying or they are not paying, because they always pay. The only thing you need to know is to target when they are paying a reasonable amount of money. For example, if you can see my screen right here, this is 1,100 naira per referral. Can you see? This is a lot of money. Can you see? If I should count this, only this is when I ran it in 2022. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So and it is like that. So I have performed a lot of transactions on this platform. I have get paid a lot. Can you see? These are history, so I cannot even get all of them. So I have performed a lot of transactions on this platform. I get paid a lot from this Cheaper Cash update. So and it is still paying till this moment. So this is 500 naira on. Can you see it here? Can you see? So when I said I have been using this platform for more than 3 years, you may think I am lying. So can you see? This is when I scroll down. This is 2021. You can see that I started from 2022 and this is 2021 here. Can you see? So I have been using this platform for a very long period of time, and it is paying. Sometimes it might pay 1,000 naira per referral, sometimes it might pay 500 naira per referral, and it is like that. So all you have to target is to make sure you stay tuned with Cheaper Referral Program. So this application is a very special application. It's a very useful application, and you can use it for a very let's say you can use it for a lot of functions. So you can perform a lot of functions on this application. You can do a lot of things with this application. So but for now, I am just going to show you how to make money for free on this platform. In our first episode of how to make money online without investment in Nigeria, I show you in the episode 1. I'm going to drop the link to that first episode in the description section of this video. In the episode 1, you can actually make money with the system we released without referral, without depositing, without anything. All you have to do is to register and start performing tasks for free. You don't need to refer. There's not even referral task there. You don't need to refer. You don't need to deposit anything. Just register and start making money for free. But right here, you don't need to invest with this one as well, but you will need to refer. So it is without investment, but you will need to refer others to the platform. So let's go to the end area. So when you open your Cheaper Cash account, in case you are just coming across this for the very first time, I'll drop a link for you in order to register on the platform. So all I have to do is to click on N here. So once you click on N, then you are going to see detailed information about the referral program here. So as you can see on my screen right here, they say invite your friend in the US and earn 4,000 naira when they send at least $30 to African country. So this means that there is no active referrals here. So I'm not talking about this US referral stuff today. So I'm going to be talking about it in another video. So what I want to tell you right here is that as you can see right here, there is no active referral program as at the moment of recording this video. But now, maybe tomorrow or next week now, there might be a referral program and Cheaper Cash might decided to start giving you 1,000 naira per referral. So anytime you visit this page and you see inscription here that refer friend and you earn 1,000 naira, it usually reads invite friends, they will get 1,000 while you will get 1,000. If it is 500 naira, they will get 500 naira while you will also get 500 naira. So that's how Cheaper Cash works. Immediately you get to this end page, you will see the instruction there. All you have to do is to invite people, and these people that you will invite, you will tell them to activate their account by adding their BVN and other verification stuff. Immediately the account is verified. If it is actually 1,000 naira per referral, then your referral must transact 1,000 naira. Maybe they receive 1,000 naira and send it back to the person that sent it. You understand what we're talking about? So I have actually released a detailed guide about this on browsingtechno.com. You can actually go there for more details. But if you actually listen to me carefully in this video, you will be able to grab what I'm talking about, because there's no stress here. When you want to invite friend, all you have to do is to click on invite friend. So once you click on the invite friend button, can you see you will be given a link? So let me just click on the link here. So let's say this is your link. Let's say this is the link here. Can you see? So this is your link. This is what you need. I will cut it out. Can you see? I have highlighted the link, so I will cut it. I will delete all this. This is my referral link. So that is the link you will send to everybody you want to invite. So you also need your referral code, and the last code here, can you see this E2B2B? It's my invitation code. So I will copy this code. So that is my code. Can you see? So this code is what I'm going to give to my referral, and immediately they complete their registration, all they have to do is to click on enter referral code. Immediately they click on enter referral code, they will apply the code here and click on enter. Can you see? So immediately they click on enter, that means they have successfully redeemed your code, and you will get bonus as soon as they send the required amount and they receive the requirement. So it is very simple. As you can see my history, they have accumulated. So when you see that 1,100 naira, this is how I did mine. So can you see at this moment they are paying 1,000 naira per referral? Can you see this Cheaper paid you 1,000 naira per referral? Okay, let me say for this is Daniel Sule or whatever, Daniel Sule. So can you see Nigeria pay you for Senior Bola Najim or something like that? So all I have to do, so if you see my transaction here, you paid Olubile Oladayo 1,000 naira. Can you see? I have been sending 1,000 naira to those people I referred. Then I will ask them to send it back to me. Can you see? This is when they send it back to me. So immediately I send it to them and they send it back to me. Then I'll wait for 24 hours for my bonus to be credited. Actually, that's a shortcut. The main the main process is that you invite them and allow them to start doing transaction with the application. But in order to make the process very fast, then we decided to be exchanging the transaction within ourselves. Then at the end of the day, we'll be able to get the referral bonus as fast as possible. I think you should be able to learn 1 or 2 years. So the secret I said I'm going to be revealing to you is always have patience when you are when you are dealing with PayPal. You don't need to rush. All you have to do is to keep visiting this page, the end page. Sometimes you might come across 300 naira. Sometimes you might come across 600 naira. What I usually do is to wait till I come across maybe 500 naira or 1,000 naira at least. So immediately I notice that they are running the promo and they are paying up to 1,000 naira per referral. Then I will shoot my shot. I will start gathering people. I will give them my code to apply after registration. Then we will do transaction. So let's say I invite 10 individuals. Then I'm going to get 10K for that day. I think you understand my calculation right here. So you don't need to stress yourself. All you have to do is to monitor this end page. So if anytime you get to the end page, just follow the instruction on the end page for Cheaper Cash to give you the notification that they are paying for referral. They will actually pay you for referral unless you do self-referral. If you do not do self-referral, you refer real people, then you are going to get paid for the individuals that you refer to the platform. But in case you did not get paid, all you have to do is to charge the customer care representative, and you'll be told with what you need to do, or maybe you are not doing what you're supposed to do. Everything will be sorted out. So that is that about that. This is my episode 2 of how to make money online in Nigeria without investment. Watch out for episode 3, where I will be revealing another method that you can actually use to make money online without investment. So I'm revealing this to you today because it is actually reliable. I've been using it for a fairly long period of time and it is still working at the present moment. All you have to do is to keep your eyes on this, and anytime you see any referral program on this page, that can you see? So this one that is it used to be 2. The first one for regular Nigerian users and the second one for US users. So this is for US user, and you actually need to look for people that reside in US to register. So in another video, I'm going to release another video giving you detailed explanation on how to earn this 4,000 naira per referral on Cheaper Cash. But for now, just take hold of how you can make money by inviting people in Nigeria. So that's that one is very simple and it is easy, but this one, it's somehow complicated, and you know what I'm talking about. So but I'm going to be splitting it down whenever I'm going to release a video on that. But for now, I think I have been able to show you another way to make money in Nigeria without investment. So in case you need to watch our first episode, then you can check the description section of this video, and you click on the link attached to check out the episode 1 and the method we revealed in the episode 1. If you have any question concerning this video, drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.